Okay, this is a short tutorial about the online graphing calculator. I'm just going to navigate some things for you. You notice I'm signed in here. You can download it on your desktop. It works through multiple devices. It can be located on your phone. Okay, this is where I've signed in with my name. And if I want to exit, sign out. Here's a print. Here's I can share the graph, help, etc. So let's start something simple. At the bottom right corner, they'll show my keypad. So not only graphing, you can just do simple calculations. Like if you want to add 45 plus say 63, and you hit the enter and there's the answer right here. Okay, 78 times 69, doesn't matter what it is, there it is. But we want to do something a little bit more than that. Let me just delete these, and we want to graph a equation. So we're going to go to f of x expression. So the f of x is there. So I'm going to type in 2x minus 4. And there's our graph right there. Okay, you can easily move it, okay, if you would like. There is a zoom in and zoom out setting also right here. I can zoom in or I can zoom out. Okay, so that's one graph here that says 2x minus 4. See the y-intercept and the slope is 2. So let's say we want to add another graph. So we can put it here. So if we're studying systems, let's say 4x plus 1 and enter. Okay, I need to change this. I need to go ahead and go here and add the expression. Now I can do it. 4x plus 1. That equal. Let me move this over and put my plus here. Plus 1. Now we have this graph here, okay? So we can see the intersection, and you can click right on the intersection. It tells exactly where it intersects. Isn't that neat? So we can title this graph, we can save it, and we can name it something. I'm going to name it practice 2 because I already have a practice 1. A-C-T-I-C. Practice 2. And I can send a copy to my Google Drive if I like. So I can save my graph right here. And if I wanted to zoom out, so there we go. So we can see the intersection. If I want to share the graph, I can. If I want to print it, so I can share it with the world. I can embed. I can just save the image. Okay. So if I have the image here, and it says if I want to print the image, I can just go here and print it if I wanted a test or whatever. So it's really neat. Now, let's say I wanted to graph inequalities. So I can show my keypad and I can just type in. So I don't have to add like I did add the expression. You can still just type it in if you wanted y is equal to, or y is equal to, say, 2x. So you didn't have to go with the plus thing. So let's say we wanted to do an inequality. So say y is greater than 2x. There you go. And if we wanted to add another one, if you're looking at systems and you want to know where something intersects, let's say y is, say less than or equal to, say 4x, let's say plus 2. And so we've graphed that. You see the colors, and you can also see where it intersects, okay, where it's the same. You can see lots of really good visuals. And if you even wanted to get rid of that one, and so you don't see anything but the pink one, and you can add it back. Here, the color is gone. So you add it back, or the equation inequality. You can just get rid of it by hitting the X. This is just a very short 5-minute tutorial, I would recommend you just do some explorations. It's lots of different features, but the main feature we're looking at now, since we're starting systems, is graphing systems.